When you're adding two numbers that have the exact same sign, so they're either both positive or both negative, the rule is that you can add those values together and you're going to take the sign that both the numbers have. So if they're both positive, your answer is going to be positive, and if they're both negative, then your answer is going to be negative. Okay, and we'll do some examples of that in a second. The second rule is when you're adding two numbers with different signs. So if I have one positive and one negative, I know it seems weird, but when you see that, you're actually going to subtract those values, and you're going to take the sign of the bigger number. So if the bigger number is negative, your answer is going to be negative. If the bigger number is positive, then your answer is going to be positive. And that's when I say which team won. So if you think of your two numbers as teams and they're battling against each other, which one is stronger, you're going to take the sign of whichever team wins, whichever sign is bigger. And that's when you have different signs. So let's look at some of these examples here. So I see a -3 plus a -2. They have the exact same sign. So I'm going to use my first rule up here. I'm going to add them together. So I'd get 5. I'm going to take the sign that both the numbers have. So it's going to be a -5. All right? The next one, oops, I see different signs. So this means I'm going to subtract those two numbers. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And the bigger number, which team wins? Is it the negative team that wins or the positive team? The negative team is bigger, so my answer is going to be -5.